In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a campaign in Constant Contact. Deleting a campaign is a quick way to clean up your account when you have drafts you no longer need, old test emails, or campaigns that were created by mistake. Before you delete anything, take a moment to confirm you are removing the correct campaign, because once you confirm the deletion, you cannot easily undo it. If you think you might need the content later, consider opening the campaign first and saving any important text or images elsewhere before continuing. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Constant Contact account and you are on the main dashboard. Look to the left side menu where you will see the main navigation options for your account. Find and click Campaigns. This takes you to the Campaigns page where your emails and other campaign types are listed. Depending on your account activity, you may see a long list, so scroll carefully and locate the specific campaign you want to remove. Pay attention to the campaign name and any visible details like its status, so you know you have the right one. Once you have found the campaign, move your focus to the far right side of that campaign row. You will see a 3 dots menu, sometimes called the Action menu. Click those 3 dots to open a small list of available actions for that campaign. In the menu that appears, select Delete. This is the option that starts the removal process. Constant Contact will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you truly want to delete the campaign. This extra confirmation step is important because deleting is meant to be permanent. To finish, click Delete again to confirm. After you confirm, the campaign will be removed from your list. Give the page a moment to update, and if needed, you can look through the list to verify that the campaign is no longer there. That covers everything you need to know.